related to humor, traveling, and learning. Through this podcast, we will answer some IELTS-speaking questions and share our opinions and experience. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Lisa Iharudia and my friends
Winnie Nazafitri. So let's get started.
Okay, Windy, I want to ask you about humor. What type programs do you find funny on TV?
Personally, I enjoy watching comedy shows and sitcoms on TV. I like the program that include funny dialogues and everyday life situation because they feel very relatable. Sometimes I also enjoy comedy shows and because a comedian often talk about real life problems in humorous way. These programs help me relax after a busy day and improve my mood. In my opinion, laughter is a simple way to reduce stress and make life feel lighter.
Okay, second question. Which type of programs are most popular in your country?
In my country, many people enjoy watching entertainment programs such as reality show, comedy shows, and drama series. These programs are popular because they are easy to watch and entertaining for people of all age. In addition, many people also like talent shows and singing competition. These shows often attract large audience because they combine entertainment, emotion, and sometimes inspiring stories from the participants.
Okay, the third question. Do you like to make people laugh?
Yes, I do. I making people laugh because it creates a positive and friendly atmosphere. When the people laugh together, it helps build stronger connection and makes conversation more enjoyable. Although I'm not a comedian, I sometimes tell simple jokes, or funny stories to my friends. Seeing others smile or laugh makes me feel happy and satisfied. Okay, Lisa, move to part 2. I want to ask you about your traveling.
Okay, one of the most memorable journeys I have ever experienced was when I visited a beautiful beach along with my friends. We decided to go there during our holiday because we want to relax and take a break from our academic routine. We traveled by motorbike and the journey took about an hour. Along the way, we enjoyed the beautiful scenery and fresh air. When we finally arrived at the beach, the view was absolutely stunning. The water was very clear and the atmosphere so peaceful and refreshing. We spent the whole day talking, taking pictures, and watching the sunset together. What made this journey was the quality time I spent with my friends. Even though this trip was simple, it created a very meaningful memory for me.
Okay, Lisa, move to part 3. I want to ask you, number 1, what do people learn from traveling?
I believe people can learn many valuable things from traveling. First, they can learn cultural diversity and different ways of life. When we visit new places, we can see how people live, eat, and interact with others. This experience helps us more open-minded and understanding. And yes, traveling also help improve their communication skills. When we meet people from different backgrounds, we can learn how to interact, how to adapt